Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a very long time since I've last posted. Give you guys a little room tour and a little apartment tour. Let's just get into it. I'm still trying to figure out like what goes where. As soon as you walk in, you see my side and then you see my roommate's side. So right here I just have like some storage stuff, my blankets for like the winter because it gets really cold here, my leaves, but I'm gonna put them up till like later on because it doesn't really fit the theme for what I have clearly for my room. And I just have this sweater that I wear every night because it gets really cold here. I have some like kitchen towels. I have all my sweaters because again it gets really cold here, some shirts. I have my laundry stuff in the back here, laundry bag, my boots, and then this is just some like cooking stuff, and then all like my pans and plates and stuff. And then this is my little white cards. It fit better in my dorm, but now here I'm like it's just kind of in the way, but I just put it right here for now. And then I have like all my perfumes, my skincare, my makeup, brush, cleaning stuff, and then laundry, toilet paper. And then over here, this little space between my dresser is my vacuum, and then some cleaning supplies down there. This already came with the apartment, by the way, and the mattress and like the desk and chair. Like I didn't have to like bring this in, thankfully. I have a little painting that I made, my book that I didn't even read, and then some decorations. This is my mini air fryer that I got at Target. I have this little thing again that already came with the apartment, and then you can also like take this out. I put my clothes that I sleep in here because it's just easy to grab, my laptop case, and then my shoes, my new shoes for the school year, which I will show later. Here's a diamond painting that my friend gave me, my speaker, this pumpkin that I just put here, and then my portable charger because I like taking my portable charger every time I go to school because my phone always dies. And then here's my bed. This blanket I got from Ross and it's so cute, like I literally love it. And then this is my decorations. I got these leaves from the Dollar Tree, and then these are all my posters. I also like how my room looks like at night. I'll put a video so you guys could see. Mostly got my Halloween decorations from the Dollar Tree, and I also got this pillow from Ross. Then we have my desk area, which is messy. Like I left up my makeup stuff because I did want to clean that. It also comes with this little drawer where I can put some stuff. But I have this diamond painting that my friend gave me, this desk lamp, I have this supplies thing, and then my little pumpkins also from probably Dollar Tree, don't really remember. I have some pictures, and then my dream catcher and this snowflake that my cousin made me with like my old work. Yeah, let's just sit down and let's just talk about my first year because a lot happened and I was obviously gone. Like I didn't record nothing. I go to UC Davis. My school goes on a quarter system, so we have fall, winter, and spring. Yeah, my first year went so good. And then my spring quarter, I started physics. Physics was not it for me. I had my physics final the same day I had to move out, but everything worked out and I passed. My major is civil engineering. This is how it's going. We got a lot of stuff and some snacks over there in the corner, but I still have to unpack all of this. I still need to make my bed. Look, I have all my pillows, my mattress topper up there, but I have my car, the vacuum. Also, this is my desk area. I also wanted to do like a move-in vlog for my apartment, but the day before I had a concert to go to, and then I like went to sleep like at 1 a.m. and then I had to wake up like 4 hours later to move in here. yeah, I went shopping for groceries too, because I'm not on like a meal plan or anything. Like for my first year I had a meal plan, so I would just like go to the dining commons. I moved in last week on Friday. Now today is Saturday. It's funny because I always say like, oh, I'm gonna bring like college content, like I'm gonna do this video, I want to do this video, but like I'm not able to actually do it because I don't have time. I also don't start school until Wednesday, so we have like 4 days left. So I'm gonna show you my new shoes for the year. They're both from Vans. So these are the first pair. They're just like these light green ones. You can't really tell the color on camera. They're like wannabe Air Jordans, I guess, or whatever, but they're from Vans, and they're like this cute little pink color too. Yeah, super cute. I love these. I'm gonna wear these the first day of school. And I also need to clean these makeup brushes and my beauty blender, which I keep in this plastic bag. I don't know if that's good or not, but later today I also have a football game, so I'm gonna record a bit of that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I can bring more content to this channel because I'm truly trying to keep it alive. Like I don't want to just like leave it here.